When we eat our food, then this is the food pipe. First, this is here buccal cavity located. Then, when we eat our food, then this food go to the esophagus. Here buccal cavity is located. Then in the esophagus means food pipe. And then from the food pipe it goes to the stomach. Then from the stomach it goes from the small intestine. Yes, here like this. Okay? A small intestine. And then from the small intestine to the large intestine like there. And then to the rectum, then anus. Okay? In short we can say that. But in our this topic we will learn about whole human digestive system in detail. Okay, so let's start to learning about human digestive system. So human digestive system is consist mainly of two important things. Alimentary canal, what? Alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive glands. These both is consist in digestive system, human digestive system. In human digestive system, these are two most important things. Human digestive system is consist of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Let's see that what are the different compartments in alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is divided into various compartments. There are 6 compartments in alimentary canal. Let's see their names. First one is buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Okay friends, buccal cavity or mouth. Second, esophagus. Okay, esophagus, correct? And then the third one, the most important, is stomach. And fourth one, what? Yes, it is small intestine. Small. buccal cavity. Where is buccal cavity located? Here. Buccal cavity is located here, means mouth. So, if we eat our food, then in buccal cavity means mouth, some important things are present. Teeth, from which we chew our food, and tongue, from which we taste our food. In fact, salivary gland, which is located just beside the tongue only. From that salivary gland, without the help of salivary gland, our digestion is not possible. Let's see that what is the work of teeth here. Okay, what is the work of teeth? As we all know generally that from the teeth we eat, means we chew our food. We chew our food into different small pieces. Okay friends? What is the work of teeth? Teeth chew our food into different small pieces. But a most important thing, their teeth are arranged in a proper order. And different teeth have different work. So generally, if different teeth have different work, so of course they have different. If they have different function, so they have different shape, different size, different name, and they are arranged in different order also. So let's learn, okay? So let me to tell you first of all about all these teeth. There are 4 kinds of teeth, okay? First one is what? Incisors. Incisors. Second one is canine. Then premolar. What? Premolar. And then molar. Okay friends? Okay? Oh sorry, it is like this. Canine. Let's revise it again. So teeth are arranged in proper order. There are 4. They are arranged in such like this. First, incisor. Second, canine. Then premolar, and then molar. I hope so that you have learned incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Let's see that how many incisors are there. How many teeth are there? What is the quantity of canine, premolar, molar, and etc. And most important, that what is their work? Okay, let's see. Incisor. The 4 teeth of starting. The 4 teeth of starting in upper jaw, in fact in lower jaw. 4 teeth of starting like this, okay? 4 in lower jaw, 4 in upper jaw. 4 in lower jaw, 4 in upper jaw. Total 8. How many incisors are there? There are 8. 4 in upper, 4 in lower. What is the work of incisors? Incisors help us to cut our food into different small pieces. Okay friends? Then it is canine. Canine are the sharpest teeth, and these are the strongest teeth of all. And the most important thing, there are 2 canine here. 2 canine in lower jaw, 2 canine in upper jaw. So 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw equals to 4 canine. What is the work of canine? Yes, canine help us to tear our food, for tearing. Okay friends? What is the work of canine? bitter. Then from this side sour. Then from here downside this side is salty. Then the left portion here starting portion sweet. I hope so that you all have understand about tongue. What are the taste bud in tongue? Okay. Now after tongue, a most important thing, as we have learned a digestive glands, about salivary gland. So salivary gland is located just below the just beside our tongue. Salivary gland is located. So let's see that what is the use of the salivary gland. Okay? Salivary gland. So, you know that salivary gland attain 99% of water. What? 99% water. And the left 1% have enzymes. Okay? If 99% is water and 1% is enzyme, so you know that two main enzymes that are found in salivary gland. Let's see that what are the two important main enzymes in salivary gland. Okay, gland. First one is ptyalin. Ptyalin. Okay. And second one is lysozyme. Lysozyme. Okay. What? Lysozyme. Lysozyme and ptyalin. Okay friends. So let's see that what is the use of ptyalin enzyme. Okay. So ptyalin helps us to convert starch. What? Starch, which is a type of carbohydrate. Starch, which is a type of carbohydrate, to maltose. Maltose. What? Ptyalin convert starch, which is a type of carbohydrate, to maltose, and maltose to glucose. What? Starch to maltose, maltose to glucose. This is the work of ptyalin. What is the work of lysozyme? Lysozyme kills bacteria that comes along the food in the body. What? Kills bacteria. Kills bacteria. Okay friends, so this is the most important work of salivary gland. Let's revise it again. What? It has 99% of water and 1% of enzymes. In that enzymes there are two main enzymes, ptyalin and lysozymes. Ptyalin convert starch to maltose, maltose to glucose, and lysozyme kills bacteria that comes along the food. Friends, if anyone will ask you that from which part carbohydrate is digested, so yes, you will answer that it is started to digested in the salivary gland, in the mouth only. Okay? From where the digestion of carbohydrate is started? Mouth, buccal cavity. Okay friends? Friends, you know most of the people generally they eat gutka, and like this release saliva, and that saliva with the help of tongue mixes with that food particles, and then we swallow it. So we can say that human beings chew and swallow their food. Okay. So in the first compartment of alimentary canal, we have learned about the buccal cavity. I hope so that you all have understand. Second is the food pipe or oesophagus. Oesophagus. Friends, oesophagus have a simple work that the food that we swallow, the food that we have swallowed here, oesophagus transport it to the stomach. Okay, only this is the work of oesophagus. Okay, friends, when we swallow our food, then oesophagus transport it to the stomach. Okay, now let's see the third and the most important compartment, stomach. This is the most important compartment of the alimentary canal. Okay, stomach. So, as you have seen here that oesophagus has transported that food to the stomach. Now, what is the work of stomach with that food material? Let's see. So, as we all know that, friends, you know a most important thing about stomach. It is the widest part. It is the widest part. And it is about 30 centimeter long, 30 centimeter wide. Okay, it is the widest of all the compartments in alimentary canal, and it is about 30 centimeter wide. Okay, friends. Okay, I hope so that you all have understand this. 30 centimeter. Okay. And you know the three most important thing that is found in the stomach. Let's know. Okay, this is the stomach as you all are seeing here. If food is transported, it is widest of all. Okay, widest of all, and it is about 30 centimeter wide. Okay, 30 centimeter wide. Now, the three most important things that are found in the stomach are mucus, hydrochloric acid, and the third, what it is? It is digestive gland. Its name is gastric gland. Okay, friends? What? Okay. Okay, friends? Gastric gland. Okay, I hope so that you so these are three important things. I hope so that you all have known these things. What? Mucus, hydrochloric acid, and gastric gland. Let's see that what is the work of mucus. So mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach like this. Inner lining of the stomach. Mucus protect inner lining of the stomach. The most important work of is mucus. Then hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid have two important works. First, hydrochloric acid kills bacteria that comes along our food. Okay, hydrochloric acid kills them. And hydrochloric acid release a the widest compartment. Okay. Okay. You know that small intestine release many digestive juices, and with the help of that digestive juices, our digestion system is done proper. And these digestive juices is released from the liver, pancreas, and inner wall of the small intestine. What? Liver, pancreas, and inner wall of small intestine. Let's see liver. Liver. You know what is liver? Liver is the biggest gland of all, largest gland. Don't you remember that when we are learning about digestive glands, so we have learned about three digestive glands. First, salivary gland, as we have learned earlier in buccal cavity, and second is liver. Let's learn about liver. You know that it is the largest gland of all, and it releases bile juices. Most important, bile juice. And in that bile juice, sodium carbonate and bilirubin is found in bile juices. Okay, what? Sodium carbonate, bilirubin and carbonate. Okay, these are found in these bile juices. And friends, let me a fact about bilirubin. When bilirubin is attained in our blood in a large quantity, then a horrible disease periods caused. Okay? Okay, so where we are? Oh yes, we are learning about bile juices. But where do bile juices are stored? Do they stored in liver? No, they stored in gallbladder. Gallbladder is a place where these bile juices are stored. And then these bile juices go to small intestine and release. Okay. Now, we are going to learn about pancreas. What? Pancreas. Pancreas. Okay? Pancreas. So friends, you know that as we have learned in digestive glands about three glands, salivary gland, liver, and what? Pancreas. It is the second largest gland in our body. Okay? So now, pancreas also play a most important role. What? They release pancreatic juices. Pancreas release pancreatic juices, and that pancreatic juices have four important enzymes. You know that pancreas have 98% of water. Pancreatic juice have 98% of water and 2% of enzymes. Okay? 98% of water and 2% of enzymes. Okay, let's see that in these 2%, Large intestine take out means absorb